What's going on? Should clean up all this crap behind me. What's up, everybody? What's going on, y'all? We are live. Singapore, what's going on? Token 2049 starts tomorrow, Wednesday. My, oh my, it's going to be great. But in this one, guys, in this live stream, we're going to go over some of the big crypto news right now, some of the top stories, what's moving, what's shaking in the market, what kind of alpha is out there right now, what are some people saying. Token 2049 starts tomorrow, so I'm hoping I could bring you guys a ton of stuff here from South Asia, a big crypto hub too. Obviously, guys, crypto is massive here. I'm gonna tell you that right out of the gate. I did not realize how big crypto is in this part of the world. It is nuts. It is nuts. So I figured, you know what? Had a few minutes. Let's pop on here. Let's go live. Let's talk it up. Let's chop it up. Let's do all that fun stuff. Break it down. You guys know what's going on, everybody. What's happening, y'all? What's going on? We got Crypto Vegan in the house. What's up, bro? Andrew, what's up? What's up? What's happening, everybody? What's happening? So I figured I had a little bit of time before we got a big meet and greet tonight, so going to be going out there for that, but I figured why not? Let's get it, right? Let's talk a little crypto. How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? What's up, y'all? What's up? Smash the like button on your way in, guys. Double tap that screen for me. Helps us out tremendously. You guys know the drill on that. So I got a video coming out in a little bit. I just recorded a video about Donald Trump coming out and launching World Liberty Financial. That's one of the top stories right now. I'm going to break down all the details in the video. It's going to be coming out at like 8:30 East Coast time. I know it's 7:55 East Coast. It's 7:55 p.m. here in Singapore, which is just nuts. But I'm actually doing okay on my sleep schedule, believe it or not. I don't know how. I think I slept so much on all the planes. We had a 12-hour flight, an 8-hour flight. I slept so much, and we got here at 9 a.m. yesterday, I think. I don't even know when the hell we got here. I think it was yesterday. Yeah, we got here at 9 a.m. yesterday. Stayed up all night, all day or whatever. Got some good sleep last night. So I'm feeling pretty good. I don't know if it's going to hit me like two or 3 days in, but we're here. We're live. We're back. So we are getting it. We are getting it. So yeah, Trump's launching this World Liberty Financial. I'm not going to give all the details in the live stream, but check out my video coming out at 8:30 a.m. Eastern here, about a half hour. You guys are going to be, it's very intriguing. They're not giving a lot of information out on it, but it seems like it's going to be kind of a DeFi application similar to what's out there, but easier to use, more user-friendly. So we'll see what happens with that, but Binance announced a few projects. Yeah, Binance is going all in on meme coins, right? Looks like they're just listing meme coins now. What's going on? I thought you had to be somebody to get listed on Binance. Not anymore. Now they're just listing everything, man. Binance is listing everybody. But we got a lot of top stories to get through, guys. A lot of alpha, a lot of fun stuff happening right now in the market. I still firmly believe we're kind of, gearing up for the big part of the bull run. We haven't seen a big altcoin push just yet. I'm super excited, man. I'm super excited about what we've got coming around the corner. My bags are packed. My bags are packed. I'm ready. But overall market, we're sitting a little over 2 trillion right now. Bitcoin a little over 59,000 as everybody's waking up here on the East Coast. It is Wednesday morning. Tuesday morning for you guys, right? Is it Tuesday? Yeah, it's Tuesday night here, Tuesday morning for you guys. Token 2049 starts tomorrow. Some altcoins moving. We got some altcoins moving. Phantom has been looking really good even the past 7 days. Phantom FTM ticker. It was a big one in 2021. It had a big burst. We made a couple nice trades on Phantom back in 2021. So that one's looking pretty good. Right now, Celestia, one of my favorites, Sui, man. Sui's continuing its pump. Sui's up to $1.19 now. Looking really good, man. Looking really, really good. Up 27% It had a little pullback today down to $1.02, and now it's pumping like crazy, up 44% in the last month. SUI. I think this could be a Solana type play, right? We're looking for like these newer layer ones that haven't seen a full-fledged bull cycle yet. Look out for SUI, man. SUI and Aptos, both, the Facebook investor group. This could be big. This could be big. Joseph Johnson, finally, YouTube early morning live stream. Missed my YouTube crypto fam. Joseph, we are back, man. I've been traveling like crazy. Guys, I will promise you this. As soon as I get my studio built at the new crib, it's on, man. It's on. We're going to have a home base. I've been traveling so much. It's just been so hard to have a strict schedule, but we're back, man. I got to get back in the grind mode and start, doing the lives every day again. We're doing the X Spaces. The X Spaces Crypto Breakfast Club still going. Paid XPOs hosting ours today, 9:30 a.m. Eastern. I'm going to try to pop on there. I'm going to be at an event. We're going to be out and about. We had a great event last night. Met some great people out here in Singapore. You want to talk about a crypto hub. I mean, Dubai, for me, so far is still up at the top. We'll see as we go to Token 2049 tomorrow and Thursday. But Singapore is right up there, man. South Asia is big in crypto. They're so far ahead of the United States, so far ahead of the West in general when it comes to crypto. But anyway, we're back, man. We're back. Joseph, good to have you, bro. Good to have you. Good to have everybody here, man. Double tap the screen if you haven't already. Hit that like button. It definitely helps us out. Lets everybody know, we're here. We're in the building. So definitely do that for us. And, we're going to get through some news, some insight, some information. Let's see here. But yeah, SUI for me, man, this is the one that I'm betting pretty big on. I got a big position. I started stacking like at 70 cents on SUI. It's up to like $1.20 right now. I really like SUI a lot for this cycle. It's one of the top gainers right now. Caspa, you guys know how I feel about CAS, man. I know KRC20 wasn't super smooth. But they're going to work out the kinks. They're still sitting at a $4.3 billion market cap. Still look fantastic. Prime for this bull run. CAS hasn't seen a bull run yet. Although it's been in one since it freaking launched. It hasn't seen a full-fledged bull cycle just yet. I love Caspa, man. Top 5 holding them on. You guys know how I feel about that. It's gonna be one to watch for sure. I'm getting so many damn email notifications and shit. I'm trying to swipe them all away. Guys, only 28 likes. We got 178 rocking with us. Appreciate that. But I need y'all to hit the like button. It's real easy. Just double tap because we got a bunch of alpha. We got a bunch of news to get through here, and I want y'all to let everybody know we're here. All right. So who likes Cardano in the chat? Anybody hold Cardano? Anybody hold Cardano? I see all the comments too. I'm gonna try to get to everybody. Will the SEC appeal on the Ripple case? My guess is yes, probably. We'll see, though. Ada hella dead. I hope not, bro. I hope not. I hope they're just sleeping and they ain't dead yet. I think they're just sleeping. A lot of these OG altcoins are just they haven't moved in a while. But Cardano can run. We saw it last cycle. Cardano was sleeping for a while last cycle, and then boom. You know what I mean? So Cardano's got some interesting stuff out this morning, actually. That's why I said that. So the reason why I brought Cardano up, there was a reason. Charles Hoskinson is teasing some Solana, quote, killer tech. Will Cardano's price boom? Obviously, Cardano's been on a downward spiral since July. We popped back up to like 80 cents, and then we came crashing down. The altcoin hit resistance at 46 cents and has continued to spiral down. We were accumulating and dropping our average cost down pretty nicely when it was down at like 25 cents for most of the bear market. Sitting at 33 right now. I don't think Cardano's dead by any means, but it's certainly down right now. It is still up 32% on the year from that 25-cent mark. Yeah, we got that little pop in March up to about 80 cents. But according to Hoskinson, they're supposedly doing an upgrade aiming to make Cardano faster than Solana, and potentially, obviously, could boost the Cardano price if we get more development activity. I still hold a bunch of ADA. I'm still big on Cardano, partly because I didn't take profits in 2021. I'm not going to lie to you. So I'm kind of betting with my heart a little bit because I like Hoskinson. I like what Cardano stands for. But I also believe in their tech, and I think they have longevity. Will it be one of the fastest movers in this cycle? Probably not. You know, it's a little bit older of a chain, but that's why I'm diversified. You know, that's why I'm heavy into Sui, Aptos, Caspa, some of these new flavors, if you will, right? Some of these new assets that are, I think, going to get a lot of attention, you know, once the retail money comes back and from the institutions. Sui is got a lot of development activity happening right now. A lot of development activity happening. I did go to Puerto Rico. I had a pina colada. I don't think I had it at Rico Barachina, but I had a couple pina coladas in Puerto Rico because I know that's the thing there, and they were excellent, bro. They were excellent. XRP is the biggest play in the market, followed by HBAR with the partnership with Ripple. I think XRP has a lot of upside. I talked about that in my video. Would have been out last night for y'all in the States whenever I posted it. For me, it was early morning. But yeah, Eric, man, it was good, man. It was popping. It was popping. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see what Cardano does with this potentially new upgrade that's going to make it faster than Solana. We'll see. We'll see, right? Now, we got a lot of altcoin news, though. A lot of altcoin news. By the way, if you haven't checked out that XRP video that's out on the channel, definitely check that out because there are a lot of people betting big on Cardano right now. Or excuse me, on XRP. A lot of people betting big on XRP that aren't really XRP bulls, and I like that. They're just looking at it strictly from a chart TA standpoint. They don't necessarily, you know, they're not necessarily like super biased and like all in on XRP or whatever. They're just looking at it as an opportunity from where the chart is right now. Should we try to get Oscar in here? He's across the hall right now. He's across the hall right now. I'll hit him up. I'm going to text him right now. I'm going to hit him up. All right, I just text him. We'll see if he drops in. He might pop in. But you know what? Speaking of Aptos, we mentioned Sui, right? Aptos is another one of those new layer ones that I really like. Arthur Hayes, one of the guys I really respect in the space, kind of a macro analyst type guy. I think he was the CEO of BitGet at one time. He says Solana rival Aptos, tickers APT, can solve a lot of problems for BlackRock and TradFi. And Aptos has a lot of VC backing, guys. A lot of VC backing. So does Sui. BitMEX. That's what it's now. BitMEX. BitMEX founder Arthur Hayes says layer 1 blockchain Aptos is capable of solving many problems for the TradFi world. That's going to be something to watch. Which one of these new layer 1s can really help bridge the gap with TradFi and DeFi? That's going to be a big piece of the puzzle here when we look at some of the layer 1s that are going to pump the hardest this cycle. Guys, we only have 50 likes. For real. Smash the damn like button. It's free. And subscribing to the channel is free too. It's totally free. You guys can do it. I know you can. It helps us out tremendously. I'm here in Singapore coming live with you guys. I could be out partying right now. I could be out going crazy. I mean, the streets are flooded right now. I'm here with you. I'm rocking with you guys. We're going over the crypto news. Let's go. Fire up. Fire up. I know it's early in the States. Come on, fire up. I need y'all with me. I need y'all with me here. Let's go. But in a speech at a recent Aptos experience conference in Seoul, reported by Aptos co-founder Mo Shaikh, Hayes says that his experience in TradFi showed him how antiquated the industry is with large amounts of friction and frequent disputes over settlements. He says that the world where TradFi products trade on an Aptos-based decentralized exchange could change everything. That would be huge. And you know, Raoul Paul, another person I really respect, is heavy into SUI. And I'm not as smart as either one of those guys. You know what I'm saying? But I am smart enough to listen to the smart people. And I've got a little capital. I got a little extra spare change in my pocket. And I want to deploy it into the market. I want to let that money work for me. So I got some SUI. I got some Aptos. I got a little bit more SUI right now than Aptos, but I got both. I do have both. So those are two that I really like. And I mentioned Caspa. I'll tell you what. Another one I love is Jasmy. Jasmy's got a lot of upside. Just gives me good vibes, too. Partying is not as fun as crypto. Spending money versus making money. I agree, bro. I agree. Don't spend as much as you make, right? You got to keep some of it. You got to reinvest. I agree. I agree. How about AI cryptos? What are we looking at in the AI sector? I'll tell you what. One that I have a little bit of, not a lot of, but it certainly has some upside, is ICP. ICP. I'm taking an ibuprofen right now. I got a tooth pulled last week, and the pain comes and goes on me. Right now, it's giving me a little trouble. So I'm not popping anything crazy here, just a 600 milligram ibuprofen. Sol versus Sui. Raoul Paul says he thinks Sol is the top mover for this bull run. Thoughts? I got a ton of Sol too, bro. I'll just tell y'all, I got 200 Sol. That's my number. I got 200 Sol stacked up. Pretty high cost. I think it's like at 120 average. But honestly, Solana meme coins saved my ass. I didn't have a lot of Sol, but as I started playing in the Solana meme coin market, I just started stacking some. So I hope Raoul Paul's right. I mean, I know he loves Sui too. He likes Sol. I think he likes Aptos too. Bringing that mini bar with him? Is that like an inside joke with Oscar? I don't know. I don't know about the mini bar. Spiro, appreciate you, bro. Where do you think Fetch can go? That's funny you say that. I was just going to get into some of the AI cryptos. You know, ICP is the one I think I was referring to. I don't know if I mentioned it or not yet. ICP has been one of the best performers in the past 7 to 10 days. Its price jumped up about 20%. Let's see where ICP is right now. ICP sitting at 795. Oh, it dipped hard. That might be a good entry. It's back down to about $8. But ICP is one of those high risk, high reward plays for sure. It's very similar to Ethereum's what Ethereum's doing to reduce their supply. ICP, they started cutting down their circulating tokens through token burns, like Ethereum's doing. So they're trying to be deflationary like ETH. But a lot of people's confidence is sky high on ICP's potential. There's no doubt. My man Summers from my hometown. What's up, bro? What's up, bro? Thanks for becoming a member, man. Appreciate you. Appreciate you, bro. Welcome to the show, baby. Welcome to the show. Let's go. Welcome to the show. Guys, hit the like button. We should have 100 damn likes. We should have 100 damn likes. That's easy. Are you expecting altcoins to move to previous all-time highs by the end of the year? Maybe not by the end of the year, Daniel, But I think as we move into 2025, reason why I say that is there's just going to be a lot more certainty and clarity in the markets with rate cuts, because I think we're going to get multiple rate cuts this year in 2024. And we're going to know who the president is, regardless of who that is. So I think 2025 is when we'll see the biggest moves for altcoins. That's just my personal opinion. I'd love to see it in 2024. Like I said, my bags are packed. I'm ready either way. I'm ready, man. I love this crypto stuff, man. This entrepreneurial crypto life, it's the best, man. Just hanging out with people who are so like-minded, who want to have success. You know, these people who I come out here and I hang out with, guys, I'm going to tell you this straight up. They're different. You know, people who are self-starters and self-doers, a lot of them are in crypto, a lot of them are in entrepreneurship and blockchain, and they're running their own companies. I just love sitting around a table. Just today, we're throwing out ideas. Just today, we're throwing out business ideas, business plans, opportunities, ways that we can attack the market. It just energizes the hell out of me. It rejuvenates me. I love it, man. There ain't no better feeling. So I highly encourage you guys, if you guys are super passionate about crypto and blockchain and entrepreneurship and just bettering yourself, get out to some of these events. You know, in October, there's also another one coming up. I think it's for like everybody in the finance industry. I can't remember what it's called. It's in Atlanta. Let me see. I got to see. Atlanta conference. FinCon. I'm going to that this year. October 23rd to the 26th in Atlanta. FinCon. Guys, like, that's what it's all about. Sitting at the table with people who are different type of thinkers, who are entrepreneurs, who are trying to do great things, whether it's in crypto, anything in the finance industry. I can't wait to go out to that too. You know, already here in Singapore, I've met just people learning about their stories, learning how they're navigating the markets, different ways they're finding, you know, different ways that they're finding out to be successful. That's the best. That's the best. All right, back to the AI stuff. Back to the AI cryptos. Somebody mentioned Fetch, ASI, right? All about digital intelligence. I think they're going to be a leader in the space. You know, they're trying to buck the trend. They're trying to go against the big dogs. You know, they're trying to go against the grain. They're trying to fight back, push back against the centralized AI companies. And they want to be one of the leaders, and I think they got a great chance to do it. Now, their price right now, Fetch or FET, it's down from their all-time high. You know, they popped up over $3 back in March, too, when we had that big run. What did they get up to? All-time high was $3.47 back in March 6 months ago. So they're down 62% from their all-time high, sitting at $1.30. I like Fetch a lot. I like Fetch a lot at these levels. So if you're looking in the AI, you know, spot, ICP, Fetch, you know, personally for me, I got the Graph, GRT. I know it's an OG, Render, Injective. Keep in mind, the Graph, I know it's an older one, and that scares me a little bit, but I still hold a decent position because they're in the area of indexing. They're the biggest indexing protocols. So like when we think about what Google does in Web 2, they index. GRT, the Graph, is trying to do that in Web 3. They're doing that. And they use AI, obviously, to make this data accessible. And GRT's been around for a while. It's still really solid. And I think as we get more and more institutional money and you know, smart investors coming in, they're going to look under the hood and see that the Graph is doing some big things. Numeraire, I've heard about them. I really like Render too. what's the purpose of AI coins? Well, a lot of them are solving different types of issues, Summers. Like, as I just mentioned, the graph is basically trying to be the Google of Web3 with indexing data. They're an indexing protocol. Now, Render, what they're doing is kind of unique, very unique, actually. They're connecting creators. Okay? Basically, creators in need of extra GPU. And you earn render tokens in exchange. But Render's, not crazy undervalued right now. They are off their all-time high. Near Protocol is another one I don't talk about enough, and admittedly, I don't own any. You can't own everything. I missed the big run on Near. They're building decentralized applications in the AI space. Near's kind of like a catch-all, but there are a lot of big connections that they've made in the space using their decentralized apps, utilizing AI technology. Oh, who they indexing and benchmarking, Zach? Everyone. Injective tanked. Yeah, and Injective's undervalued as hell, I think. I like Injective quite a bit. Obviously, we got our meme coins, too. I know y'all love meme coins. Uh-oh, Oscar's here. Look, that's perfect. Hold on. Let me go let him in. Hold on. Perfect timing, bro. We're going through the different sectors, and we just came to meme coins.
Oh my man, yeah, I'm uploading some videos. So I'll be here. You chill.
I wish I had an extra chair, bro.
Oh no, it's all right. I know
they only have one chair.
I'll be here.
Yeah, but Oscar's right here. He's uploading videos. Yeah, you can move that shit.
We'll do it, bro.
So, BitTenzer Towel is another one, 100%.
Let's go, everybody. Make sure you subscribe and like this live right now. Almost 200 people watching. I love it.
Let's go.
I mean,
if you guys don't know Oscar Ramos, come on. If you don't know Oscar Ramos, you better get hip to the channel too. Follow Oscar.
Appreciate you guys.
Fire it up. We're both here in Singapore. Let's go.
Excited.
Let's go.
Go ahead and talk, bro, and I'll jump in.
Yeah, man.
Memes.
Yeah, if you have something, just jump in, bro.
Of course.
So yeah, guys, let me know if you got. Okay, so I'm looking at my top list, guys, just from the top 100. Let me know in the chat after you hit the like button. We need 15 more for 100. Let's get there first. As we talk, let's get to 100. 100%. It's free, guys. Subscribing is free too. What are your favorite meme coins? Where do you guys see the most potential right now of meme coins? Whether they're inside the top 100, outside. I like to look at both areas, right? Because you look at Dogecoin and SHIB and Pepe. I think they're kind of in a league of their own at this point, right? You've got Doge in the top 10, SHIB in the top 15, Pepe in the top 30, almost in the top 25. Now, in terms of what's the most undervalued, you can make an argument for all three of those. Personally, with Dogecoin, as I've been winning on some meme coin trades, like more smaller cap plays, I've been stacking my Dogecoin position, right? So instead of putting it like back into Bitcoin, like I would with some alts, I'm putting it back into Dogecoin, especially if it's down below 10 cents. And right now it's sitting at 10 cents perfectly. I like to accumulate Dogecoin under 10 cents. Been doing that quite a bit throughout the bear. SHIB, same thing. It's well down from its all-time high, but remember, guys, 2 weeks in March, 2 weeks, it went up 100%. That's all it takes. And here's the thing. SHIB is the largest ERC20 crypto. As soon as Ethereum starts to move, guess what's going to move with it? And guess what's going to move more and harder and faster? Shiba Inu and Pepe. These are two of the largest ERC20 cryptos. Somebody mentioned Brett there, Turbo. Both of those on Ethereum too. Love Brett. I think it's going to be a big winner here in the cycle too. But when we think about the ones at the top, man, Dogecoin, SHIB, and Pepe, all three undervalued right now. All three undervalued with tremendous upside. Then we've got WIF, which is still in the top 50. Now, WIF is a little bit newer on Solana. I like it, but I'd much rather accumulate Pepe, SHIB, or Doge personally. And even Floki. Floki's a little bit lower of a market cap, but I'd rather accumulate Floki over WIF right now.
And let me tell you something.
Yeah.
And I mean, this is something that personally I think people, because right now the meme coin market is dried up. They see Shiba Inu, Doge, Pepe. They are legendary for what they did. It's super hard to get to 1 billion. Super hard. It seemed easy 3 years ago. Seemed like, oh, 1 billion, candy, easy. Let's just go ahead and do it. Why not? If you don't get to 1 billion, then it means that your project is a scam. It means that your project is not really legit because it's so easy to get to 1 billion. But now after 2023 and 2024, getting to 1 billion as a meme coin is a privilege. That it means that early whales are willing to wait, because everybody knows here is that early whales, when you get to 1 billion, you're talking about multi-millions of dollars holding for them.
100%.
They're the insiders, the founders, the devs, whoever you want to call it. But there's many of them on the Shiba Inu Ether scan currently right now, and they're still holding. Why is that? I ask myself, right? I have 1 billion Shiba Inu. It's nothing compared to them, but it's good for me and my position, and that's it. Now, are we just gonna say that Shiba Inu, Pepe, Doge, and the rest of the meme coins are just ending this 2024? That there's not gonna be more meme coin journey and stories to tell? Is it like the end of meme coins? Answer is of course not, because we will have a season. Like there's a cycle. There's a time for start. There's a time for an ending, and you have to understand if the token has future, has legs, and has a team, and there's an ecosystem, or it's just a pure complete meme coin. So all I'm saying is the top meme coins that are well past 1 billion still throughout this 4-year cycle that it's been dried up are more than likely gonna come back. They're not gonna have million level exponential growth because they already had it. But once you're in 1 billion, you should be looking at anywhere from 7 to 15x. 7 being conservative, 15x being, are you joking? Like this is well past expectation. And at that point, it's like, okay, slow it down and take some profits, because it, realistically speaking, it cannot do maybe 100x, because we're talking now trillions, and that's probably not gonna be this bull market. But there's people who are not gonna sell their Shiba Inu and still continue holding, and that's fine for them, right? So depends on your strategy. I 100% believe Pepe, SHIB, Floki, and Dogecoin are gonna be with us here for more and many cycles, because the people, the quality, Elon Musk and other ones. So that's all I just wanted to say. Like, I know it's hard not to see our legendary, in quote, meme coins not growing, not really pumping a lot, but it's just the name of the game, right? You pass 1 billion, a lot of people know you, and you become boring. You become, okay, you already passed 1 billion. Are you just gonna create like a metaverse, an ecosystem, an NFT? Okay, that's okay, but what's the next one? What's the next candy? And that's what people want. You can obviously take it from 0 to 1 million to 10 million to 100 million, and there's gonna be a lot of people great money. Mm-hmm. But by the time you're 100 million, the person who's holding SHIB is barely getting to know it.
Yeah.
Barely getting to know it. So they're like, okay, I want to make money. I want to jump in, but some early whales are selling. So that's why it's a challenge. So remember, guys, Shiba Inu crashed many times before it got to 40 billion. So it depends your strategy, it depends the outlook, it depends the situation. But if it was 2022 right now, I'll tell you, get away from it, let it crash. But it is 2024. I don't know how high it's gonna get. I'm expecting my 100 billion Shiba Inu market cap, which is 3017. That is my goal. That's where I realistically think Shiba Inu can totally get there. Some people tell me you're bearish because that's super low. Okay,
that's about double from the previous all-time high.
Exactly.
Right.
So I think it's a very decent and mature prediction. So I can be wrong, I can be right. But what I'm saying, guys, is Nobody knows, and that's the beauty of crypto. Enjoy the journey and have fun. That's all I gotta say.
That's it, bro. Guys, if you don't follow Oscar, definitely do so. Subscribe to his channel, Oscar Ramos. You guys know him probably already. I see everybody. I've been following you, Oscar and Austin, since the last cycle. Love your content.
Guys.
Appreciate you, Ozzy. Definitely appreciate you, bro. Brett, conservative target is $1, Lance says. Listen, man. Yeah, Brett's in that sweet spot. You know, it went up to 1.9 billion. Okay, so it's had its run. It's trying to get into that mold of Doge, Shib, Pepe, Floki, that I'm not going anywhere mode, right? And Brett's right there. I think Brett has tremendous upside. And here's the thing. As long as the base chain is super successful, which all indications are that it's going to be, if you look at all the data on the top L2s right now, nothing is even close to the base chain. And it's hard to bet against Coinbase right now, just how big they are in the US. If you believe retail money is going to come back, Coinbase has the biggest opportunity to onboard the next billion users in crypto into DeFi, And Brett is basically the mascot of the blockchain. I think it has great upside. I love it. Absolutely love Brett for sure. And there's more risk because it's a lower market cap and hasn't been around longer. But with more risk comes more potential upside, right? So just know that. Now with Doge and Shib and Pepe, you get more solidified projects, especially with Doge and Shib. Let's talk about Doge though for a second. What's interesting about Dogecoin is it's a top 10 crypto. And to Oscar's point, it still doesn't have any utility. And at some point, I think Elon Musk is going to do something with Dogecoin and X.
It can be so easy for him to do it right now.
It's going to happen, bro.
Like,
right? It has to.
He was also referencing XRP2. Like, why wouldn't he add the XRPL on X payments? Like,
yeah,
it's so
makes
basic,
too much sense.
So basic.
And he's getting all these money transmitter licenses in all 50 states. He's been actively doing that.
And he knows Donald Trump and he's a supporter of his. What if he says, okay, Trump wins? In that case, what if we go ahead and use the XRPL to improve our government system?
Exactly, bro.
That happens, we go to Bahala.
Whatever Elon ends up doing with crypto, I think Dogecoin's going to be a piece of it.
Hey, it is.
It's going to be a piece of
it. His fed.
You know? And it's only a matter of time, I think, with Doge. Guys, appreciate so many of you guys being here. I know it's 8:30 a.m. Eastern on the East Coast. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, if you want to help push us to 152,700, we're right there on the doorstep. So if you're so kind, it's totally free to subscribe. I know it's weird on YouTube. You think subscribe, you have to like pay something. No, it's free. So you'll get this content all the time. If you subscribe, hit the like button for us. Definitely helps us out. And yeah, you know, Shib's already kind of done its thing with utility. Now we need to see Shibarium grow. I think they could go heavy into gaming, and I think they're looking in that direction now. They're extending beyond just Shiba Eternity now. I think that's a great idea. I've been saying that for years, right? Why not become like a Gala type platform? Have all kind of games. Let people come in and build on Shibarium. Build out amazing games, right? And you can become a gaming hub. Meme coin started as a meme coin. Now it becomes this big gaming hub. If the metaverse ever comes to fruition, obviously they're building out that. I don't know exactly what the metaverse is going to look like this cycle. You know, there are hotter topics right now with RWA and DPIN and meme coins, AI, right? But then you have Pepe. They have nothing yet, no utility, but they haven't seen a real big bull market. Remember, Pepe just launched last April. They're very new. So they haven't seen or had the luxury of seeing what a big retail push looks like. Remember what happened with Shib. So I will tell you this, the retail money that's slowly come back, they know Pepe, and others are going to know too very quickly when they come in the space, and they're going to hear, oh, there's Dogecoin again, there's Shib, and then there's this new Pepe. What is this? So I think there's a lot of upside there. I mentioned Brett. And then you got the Tron meme coins. Don't sleep on the Tron meme coins.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Sundog is killing it. And then, of course, Bull on Tron, guys. This is done by Crash, who called Brett. This is going to have a ton of potential. Tron is not a small market cap by any means, so there's a lot of liquidity there. Tron is one of the big market makers for USDT. They hold more Tether than I think everybody when it comes to projects, except BNB and Binance. So there's a lot of liquidity there. They're getting heavy into meme coins. They're top 10 crypto. So Sundog and you've got Bull. Those two I'm betting big on, especially Bull. Lower market cap right now. Really, really like this one. We made a video on this on Bull early on the channel. Really like Bull a lot. So a lot of upside there. There's so many. I mean, and then you go into the smaller cap ones. I think somebody mentioned Moo. I like that one on Solana. I really like Ponky. I love Ponky. There's Peter. Look at that. Right on cue, Peter. I got you, bro. Zach, do you think we have to hit a bottom? Do you think we have hit a bottom on Casper, CSPR? To be honest with you, I have not looked at that in a while. Let me take a look. CSPR. Let's see. Sitting at my trading views. Got to reload here. Give me a second. Okay, there we go. CSPR. Let me go off the 1 hour, 1 day. Oh, it's way down, huh? Yeah, I don't know much about this, but still showing a sell signal on my indicator. We've been on a momentum down since March. That was a big pop in the market. To be honest with you, I don't know much about it, but if you have conviction in it, it's definitely down quite a bit. Have you checked out Drunk Chicken Centipede? No. No, I have not. It's probably pumping. It's probably going crazy. I'm probably stupid for not buying it. Pepcat, I haven't heard about this. Nero. Yeah, what happened with Nero is crazy. I don't know what's going on. So the Nero, the one that got listed at Binance is not the one we've been talking about. It was not the big market cap one. I don't know exactly what's happening, guys, to be honest. Now, the Nero we're talking about is $77 million market cap. It's on Binance Perpetuals, but not on Binance Exchange. Then the other Nero, which was Nero, 15 million went to 150 million. It's crazy. I have no idea what happened. But apparently, somebody told me today, if you give Binance $1 million, they can just list your token. So maybe that's what happened. But I still hold Niro, the one we've been talking about for a while. We got into like 30 mil. I took profits. You know, when it went up to like 300 mil, I took some profits. And when it went back up to 200 mil, I took profits. But I still hold a bag. And yeah, it's still solid. 77 mil. How high can Brett go? 10 to 20 billion? I think that's a fair estimate, to be honest. I really do. I mean, SHIB got to 50, right? So let's see if there's anything else jumping out at me here. Sui continues to pump. If you guys missed the beginning of the live stream, Sui's up 27% last week, 7% today, back to $1.18, almost a top 25 crypto. Raul Paul loves this one. This could be the next Solana. I've got a good position. Bought in at 70 cents. If you guys heard me talk about it earlier this year, I think I talked about it as early as like February, March time when it was starting to move. Really like this one. Sui and Aptos. Some layer ones. BitTenzer, Tau, somebody mentioned that one earlier. And Caspa, of course, top 5 holding of mine. And a lot of that is thanks to one big trader on Margex. Thank you, whoever you are. Trading $20 million of Caspa, which is crazy. If you guys are interested in leverage trading, I've got my Margex link down below. Definitely come check it out. You get a big discount when you buy in using my link on your first trade. It's a great way to dip your toes in with leverage trading. No KYC, super easy to use. You can go real small leverage, test out a couple trades, learn about leverage, and then ramp it up as we get into the bull run. So sign up at least today. It's totally free to sign up. Get yourself prepared because I'm learning quite a bit on what to do with leverage trading through some of my friends. That's Mo calling me.
Yeah.
Hold on one second. Mo, I'm live right now on YouTube.
They can't pitch these influencers. Hey, buddy, where are you guys at?
I'm live right now on YouTube.
We're about to head out, right?
Okay.
We'll where are we meeting you?
Thanks. Well, we're at the steak spot right now, and then the event's at 9, so we're probably just gonna eat and then head there. Do you guys think you want to come to the steak spot? Maybe we order you food now if you're really enough space. Not. Yeah, that's true too. We'll just meet you guys at the event at 9:15.
Yeah, just text me where it is.
Okay, bye.
Boom.
There you guys go. You guys know now we're going to an event. We're out at Singapore, Token 2049. There you go. So we'll see you guys at 9, okay, at the event. So it is 8:40. We got to get ready probably to go here in a few, guys. But Zach just needs some sunglasses to complete the Pitbull look. I know, and I forgot my aviators. So I have different sunglasses, but they play music, which is pretty cool. They're right there, actually. Let me see. You ever see this? They play music, bro. Speakers.
This one?
Yeah.
That's
Look
so
right here.
cool.
Right here, speakers.
Oh, man.
These have speakers in them, guys. Connect to your Bluetooth. They're kind of huge. They're kind of obnoxious looking, to be honest. But, you know, walk around, listen to music with your sunglasses on. Pretty cool. Crow can go to at least 30 billion. What do you think? Oscar's the man with Crow. Where are we going? $? Beyond?
$+ yeah.
$+, he said. Kevin Riley, thanks so much for the donation, brother. Appreciate you. Thank you. Please say, bro. Darshan, what was your question, bro? How high can Brett go? Oh, yeah, I told you, yeah. 10 to 20 billion, bro. Coffee on me. Thanks, Kevin. Appreciate you, bro. I will use that tomorrow morning. There's a great coffee shop right outside my door here. Appreciate that, bro. Get a pair of Meta glasses and record the event. That would be dope. It's Summers. That would be dope. We should get glasses and record the event. You know what I think I'm going to do, though, tomorrow? I'm going to get a lot of footage and make like a nice video. Give it to my editor.
Yeah, of course.
Get a nice video created. I'm going to make a nice recap video.
That's pretty dope, bro.
Of 2049. I deleted all my stuff off my phone, so I should have room to do it. Dogs. Yeah, I've seen quite a few people talk about dogs. That's the one on Bitcoin, right?
I think that's the one on Tongue.
On Ton.
Yeah, dog is on Bitcoin.
Okay, dogs is on
Dogs
Ton.
is on, I think so, yeah.
Yeah, I'll have to look into. I've seen a lot of people talk about it. I don't own any right now. I do like Stacks still. Stacks is interesting because it's the biggest project building out smart contracts on Bitcoin. And it's 2.2 billion market cap, but I think it's still undervalued. If Bitcoin starts pumping and the whole ordinals take off, Stacks can go. Ondo Finance with RWA, love it. 60 cents right now. Jasmy has a ton of upside. Really like Jasmy. So there's a few more for you guys that I'm liking. For sure. Chainlink undervalued still. So that's about it, guys. Appreciate you guys for rocking with us. My buddies Paid and Zach will be running the Crypto Breakfast Club, 9:30 a.m. Eastern, less than an hour away. And right before I sign off, I'm going to tell you guys this. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and watch my video that I'm releasing right now. Breaking crypto news. It's going to shock the hell out of you. Donald Trump doing some big stuff, guys. Donald Trump doing some big stuff. I'm making it live right now. So go watch that video, all 170 of you. And let me know your thoughts down below. I just launched the video I appreciate you guys so much. Don't forget to check out Oscar's channel, Oscar Ramos. Show him some love. Peace out from Singapore, guys. See you guys soon.